What's up, fam? Today, guys, we're going to be trying to recreate the most precious dessert in all of Disneyland. And as you can see, we all got our Disney shirts today. See that? Why? Because it's a special occasion. And as you guys probably know what's going on in the world right now with COVID-19, other known as coronavirus, Disneyland has been shut down. And that brings great tears to my eyes. Me and my wife right here celebrated our 5-year wedding anniversary, in which we were supposed to go to Disneyland. And the first thing I was gonna do is head to the Tiki Room.
And get a Dole Whip.
Tiki Room is located in Adventureland, if you guys don't know that already. But, so today we're gonna go ahead and create that Dole Whip like we said earlier, and try to get that magical taste. And you can see this damn hat cutting off my circulation. But it's all good, family. So with further ado, let's go ahead and create this magical dessert. What do you guys say?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So we are going to be recreating the Disneyland Dole Whip using the following ingredients: pineapple juice,
ice cream,
and pineapple chunks. So we're going to be using the blender, and we're going to be putting everything together and then making it like a thick consistency like a Dole Whip.
Alright guys, we're going to start off by using our fancy Ninja blender here that my wife spent $250 on, haven't used once. We're going to go ahead and get our pineapple chunks.
2 of them.
Go and get a close-up on that. I got the chunks.
Pineapple.
You can get spears or the circle ones.
Circles.
So we're going to go ahead and get us to Bella here. Pop open that lid. Safety first, guys. That can be a potential hazard there. Go ahead, Bella. Go ahead and pour that into the blender.
When I can. This?
Yep. Dump it all in there. There we go. There we go. Alright. Go ahead and put this off to the side.
Good.
I got 2 cans, but we're going to go ahead and try one because it's, as you probably can see, there's a whole lot in that blender there.
Because it's a full can.
So we're going to come over here to our pineapple juice that we got.
Pineapple juice.
What better brand to get for our juice than the Dole pineapple juice? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Go ahead, untop it.
And pour it.
Got a little peel here.
Peel.
And again, guys, we don't have any specific measurements. We're just going ahead and pouring it by eyeballing it.
Eyeball.
Okay, go ahead, Jacob.
Get a little.
Go and pour it, and I'll tell you when to stop.
Heavy.
Okay, keep it going. We like it extra pineapple-y.
You like
Okay, that's good.
extra sweetness.
So after you can see, after we're done pouring our juice here,
Juice pineapple.
don't know what those measurements are, but you can kind of get an idea.
We don't
Get
know
that
the
extra
measure.
close up. Boom. Alright. And then go ahead and grab a spoon, Jacob.
Me.
And then we're going to add the best part to the Dole Whip. And that's the ice cream here. I went ahead and got French vanilla because it's the best. The best in the world.
Best in the world.
I'm going to go ahead and bring my wife around so she can go ahead and do that for you. Go ahead and get up in there, boo.
Mama.
Go ahead and get up in there.
Alright.
Get up in there. Get up in there.
Put one there. We're going to add a little scoop there. Think that's enough?
Now, go ahead and add more.
Okay,
We need
one more.
more.
There you go.
Yeah, get up. Don't be too shy.
Don't be too shy to eat it.
Okay? I think one more scoop would do good.
Scooby-Doo.
Get up in there.
That's a big one right there. There you go.
Alright. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like so far with the pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, and ice cream.
Little chunkies.
go ahead and see that consistency in there.
Clam.
Oops, I just dropped some on the table. Excuse my French, guys.
French.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this up. And we'll go ahead and see what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, so you can see all of our product on the blender here. We got one of those fancy ones. Peep that out. We're going to go ahead and, let's see, what setting should I press? Should I get the smoothie, ice cream, or pure? We're going to go ahead and go with the ice cream.
Yeah.
See what that go ahead and looks like. Oh, whoa, hold now. 60 seconds. Hold now. You can see it's kind of coming out pretty chunky. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like afterwards.
Alright guys, so this is the final product. After blending it for a while, this is how it looks. It has a little bit, it's a little bit watered down. We still needed to put a little bit more ice cream. The ice cream that we had was a little bit melted, but this will work. So we're gonna pour it now and have a little taste.
We got 4 cups here, so that way we all can taste it at the same time. And while mommy's pouring that, we can go ahead and see, you know, it's pretty, looks good, smells good, but you can see
Smells
obviously
delicious.
Doesn't have that Dole Whip Disneyland consistency to it, where it has a nice little swirl in it. But it'll do. It looks kind of, let me go in and get this view so you guys can see. It looks kind of, still looks kind of thick there. That's what she said.
Alright guys,
Alright,
you
guys.
ready?
Yeah.
Bella
Cheers.
doesn't really like, I don't think she likes pineapple.
I do.
Oh, she does.
Oh, she does.
Okay.
She does, guys.
My
So,
bad, my bad.
Let's go ahead and cheers.
Cheers. Pretend we're at Disneyland.
Mmm. Oh, yeah.
It's good?
It's good? It does taste like a Dole Whip, but you don't really get that ice cream feel to it.
It's more like a really thick smoothie.
Yeah. So there you guys have it. Your own Dole Whip at home. Like we said in the beginning of the video, we're big Disney fans, so we pretty much go to Disneyland a couple times a year, or at least try to make it. And with everything going on right now, especially me and my wife, we just celebrated our 5-year anniversary, and we were supposed to go to Disneyland. But everything going on in the world right now, unfortunately, that shut down. So it left us no choice but to make our own Dole Whips at home.
Try to make her Dole Whips.
Try. So if you guys are like us and want to experience that Disneyland comforting feel, go ahead and try to make your own Dole Whips at home. Like you probably seen in the video, it's 3 simple ingredients. But tip for you guys who try to make it, make sure the ice cream is frozen and is not warm. Alright? Alright guys, we're going to end the video there. So make sure you guys please like, comment, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, guys. And also hit that bell so you guys can get notified every time we post a new what, Bella?
Video.
Video.
And also guys, if you guys decide to try this at home, please comment down below and let us know what you guys did different. If it turned out good, let us know. We would like to hear what we can do to make it better.
Alright guys, with that being said, that's our sign out cue. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
But of course, they got me washing all them dishes. Of course, I gotta do it.
Damn, my hair is busted.
Yeah, you can see it from the back.
That's what she said.
And we're gonna do more videos later